All right, buckle up because we're diving into a masterclass that's going to transform the way you sleep and leave you waking up feeling like you've just hit the refresh button on your entire life. Imagine this. You're tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., your mind racing like it's competing in a marathon. Or maybe you're waking up groggy, dragging through the day like you're wading through molasses. Sound familiar?
What if the secret to unlocking deep, restorative sleep isn't some magic pill or fancy gadget, but simple, science-backed tweaks to your diet, environment, and habits that could have you dreaming peacefully and bouncing out of bed with energy? No matter what diet you're on, what supplements you take, or how much you exercise, none of it will work its full magic if your sleep is off. Sleep is your brain's detox mode, flushing out the mental fog that builds up when you're running on empty. Ever felt like your brain's swimming in sludge after a bad night? Today, we're going to unpack how to perfect your sleep, from what you eat to how you set up your bedroom, and even some surprising tricks like essential oils and stretching that could change everything. Why does sleep matter so much? Think about it. Your brain literally cleans itself while you're out cold. And without that reset, you're left feeling like a glitchy computer. So, let's dive in. Ready to wake up feeling like $1,000,000? Let's start with your diet, because what you put in your body can make or break your nights. Ever grabbed a late-night snack, say a bowl of chips or a slice of cake, thinking it's harmless, only to lie awake with your stomach churning like it's hosting a party you weren't invited to? Refined sugars and junk food are sleep's worst enemies. They stress your gut, spike your blood sugar, and keep your brain wired when it should be winding down. Picture this. You scarf down a greasy pizza at 10 p.m. and your body's working overtime to digest it, leaving you restless and wide awake. The fix is simpler than you think. Eat earlier in the day, ideally finishing your last meal by 4 or 5 p.m. I know someone who shifted their dinner to 3 p.m. And within a week, they were sleeping like a baby, no more midnight tossing. Could you try eating earlier? If you're waking up multiple times to use the bathroom, that's another clue your diet's off. Intermittent fasting, skipping late snacks, and maybe even breakfast can help, especially if you go low carb. Inflammatory foods like bread, pasta, or pastries can cause bloating that keeps you up, and they burn through a key nutrient, vitamin B1. Ever noticed how a carb-heavy meal, like a big plate of spaghetti, leaves you sluggish but strangely wired? That's because carbs deplete B1, which your body needs to calm your nervous system. Without it, your legs get restless, your mind races, and sleep feels like a distant dream. I had a friend who ditched bread for a week and said her anxiety melted away, letting her sleep deeper. When's the last time you cut back on carbs? To boost B1, try nutritional yeast, a nutty, cheesy powder you can sprinkle on veggies or blend into a smoothie. It's like a natural chill pill, easing nervous tension and helping you drift off. I started adding it to my meals and my restless legs stopped keeping me up. Sound like something you could try? Now let's talk about your gut, because it's not just about digestion, it's a sleep factory. Ever heard of kefir? This tangy yogurt-like drink is loaded with probiotics that boost serotonin, a feel-good chemical your body converts into melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. Just half a cup a day, anytime, can make a huge difference. Even better, try L-Reuteri yogurt, a super probiotic that's like a lullaby for your brain. I know someone who started sipping kefir daily and went from sleepless nights to dreaming in vivid color within days. What's one probiotic food you could add to your routine? Your gut and brain are in constant conversation, and feeding it the right bacteria can turn your nights around. Let's move to your sleep environment, because where you sleep matters just as much as what you eat. Ever tried to doze off in a room that feels like a sauna? It's torture. Your body craves a cool environment to sleep well, ideally between 65 and 68 degrees. Crank down that thermostat and you'll notice a difference. If your feet are always cold, slip on some warm socks. It's like wrapping your feet in a cozy hug that signals your body to relax. I started wearing socks to bed, and it was a game changer. Ever tried it? Plants in your bedroom can help too, pumping out oxygen that soothes your brain. And darkness is non-negotiable. Even a tiny bit of light from a street lamp, alarm clock, or your phone can block melatonin production, keeping you awake. I put up blackout curtains in my room, and it was like unlocking a secret sleep vault. Have you tried darkening your space completely? Blue light from screens is another sleep thief. If you're glued to your phone, tablet, or computer all day, that blue light mimics the morning sun, tricking your brain into staying alert. Ever noticed how scrolling through your phone at night leaves you energized but exhausted? Try cutting screen time at least an hour before bed or grabbing blue light blocking glasses. I started using them and my eyes stopped feeling strained at night. Could that work for you? In the evening, nature shifts to warm colors, yellows, reds, purples, that signal your body to wind down thanks to infrared light. Over half the sun's rays are infrared, which even helps your body make vitamin D, a sleep superstar. Since the 80s, we've been told to avoid the sun, but that might be why sleep problems are everywhere. I started taking evening walks to catch those warm rays, and my sleep got deeper. Could you get more sunlight in your day? Alcohol and caffeine are sleep's sneaky saboteurs. That glass of wine might make you feel drowsy, but it blocks deep REM sleep, leaving you groggy in the morning. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, or even chocolate, lingers in your system, and if your liver's sluggish, it can't clear it fast enough. Ever had a latte at 3 p.m. and still felt it at midnight? Try cutting caffeine after noon and skipping alcohol for a week. I ditched my evening beer, and my mornings felt clearer. Worth a try? Exercise is another sleep booster. The more you move, the better you sleep, because your body craves rest after physical effort. A brisk walk, yoga, or even dancing in your living room can tire you out in the best way. I started walking 30 minutes a day, and my sleep became deeper. When's the last time you got your heart pumping? Old injuries can also mess with your sleep. Ever had a nagging backache that keeps you tossing? Stretching before bed is like magic. I do a simple stretch every night, lying on my back with my arms overhead, pushing my feet and hands in opposite directions. It's like resetting my muscles. There's also a trick I love, using a firm object, like a rolled towel or a massage tool, to press into tense spots in your mid-back or under your rib cage. It releases tension and bloating, which can disrupt sleep. I had a client who used this trick and went from restless nights to sleeping like a log. Sound like something you'd try? Sleeping on your right side can help too, especially if left side sleeping presses on your heart or liver, causing discomfort. I switched to right side sleeping and it felt like my body relaxed faster. Ever noticed how your position affects your sleep? Breathing is another big deal. Nose breathing delivers more oxygen than mouth breathing, calming your body fast. Try slow inhales through your nose, slightly longer exhales. It's like a mini meditation that signals your brain to chill. I started nose breathing at night and my sleep quality soared. Could you give it a go? Stress is a sleep killer, and if your mind's a hamster wheel spinning with tomorrow's to-do list, you need to get out of your head. Meditation's great, but overthinking can make it worse. Hobbies like birdwatching, hiking, painting, or even knitting can pull you into the moment and quiet that mental chatter. I took up gardening, and it's like my brain hits pause before bed. Ever lost yourself in a hobby and felt instantly calmer? Sodium's another sleep hero you might not expect. Low sodium spikes cortisol, your stress hormone, keeping you awake. A teaspoon of sea salt daily, try a pinch in your morning coffee or water, can balance things out. I used to think salt was the enemy until I added it and started sleeping better. Sound surprising? Potassium's just as crucial, acting as a natural relaxer. Low potassium can raise your pulse, making you feel wired. Leafy greens like spinach or kale are potassium powerhouses. I started eating a big salad daily, and my restless nights faded. Could you add more greens? Magnesium glycinate, taken about an hour before bed, is like a warm hug for your muscles, easing cramps and tension. Mix it in warm water with chamomile tea for a double sleep boost. I started this routine, and my restless legs vanished overnight. Could magnesium be your missing piece? Sound plays a role too.
Complete silence feels unnatural, but white noise or nature sounds like rain or ocean waves can lull you to sleep. Binaural beats with slightly different tones in each ear are science-backed to deepen sleep. I tried a rain sound machine while camping, and it was like nature's lullaby. Ever used a sound machine? Essential oils like spikenard or vetiver rubbed on your temples or chest have a natural sedative effect. A friend started using vetiver and her insomnia faded in days. Worth a sniff?
If you're still waking up tired, salt might be the culprit again. Everything you've heard about salt being bad, flip it upside down. Sea salt supports your adrenals, keeping cortisol in check. I know someone who added a pinch of salt to their water and went from groggy to energized mornings. Could that be you? Let's tie it all together. Your sleep's a puzzle, and every piece, diet, environment, movement, stress, fits together to create restful nights.
Start with one change. Cut late snacks, sip kefir, darken your room, or stretch before bed. Picture waking up refreshed, your brain clear, your energy soaring. I had a coworker who followed these tips: early dinner, magnesium, blackout curtains, and said it was like discovering sleep for the first time. Studies show low-carb diets improve sleep in weeks, probiotics boost melatonin in days, and magnesium eases tension overnight. Your body's begging for these tweaks. Listen to it. Imagine a week from now, you're sleeping deeply, waking up ready to conquer the day. What's one thing you could try tonight? Maybe skip that late snack, add a plant to your room, or breathe through your nose. Start small and watch your nights transform. Your best sleep starts right now.